going to be teaching you how to set limit orders. Yeah, you heard me right. So I'll be using one of my accounts to teach you how to set limit orders. This is the account you're seeing here, which is Nigerian account. And sometimes when you're on a trade and the trade has not gotten to your limit yet, or it has not gotten to your maybe where you're supposed to join the trade, and you're waiting to set a limit order, or you're waiting for it to hit your limit order, there are ways you can set those limit order so that it can trigger you whenever it comes to that specific place you want to take your trade. Now let's take for example, I don't know if we can backtest here. Okay, yeah, we can backtest here. So let's take for example, the market is at this place. Okay, then you notice that there is a break of structure showing that the market might be able to go to the upside, right? And looking at the market, you're like, okay, I can't wait for this market to get towards this extent because this is 4 hours. I mean, this is a daily chart, right? So, and you look at the market and you'll be like, okay, since I can't wait, let me set a limit order. So, in setting a limit order, there is something you want to be considering. So, limit order is where exactly you want the market to trigger you when it comes to that place you want him to trigger you. So those places whereby you set those limit orders so that when it gets to that point, it triggers your position and take you to the direction that you want to join the market with, right? So let's assume that the market has break structure and we have our limit order here, okay? So what the market would usually do is this. Let's say we forward this. So this is the forward. So let's say we forward this. So as soon as market got to that place, the next thing you need to do is just to trigger your limit, which is somewhere here. When it triggers your limit, it goes to to that direction you want it to go. So this is what I want to show you in this chart. So and I'll also show you how to set a limit order from your MT5 or MT4. And here I'm using XNest because XNest also have their trading view whereby you can see how your market is operating at the moment, what you can do and how you can exit from the market. Like all these things are here. Let's say you don't want to use trading view, you can also use this to do whatsoever you want to do. So if you can look at the side, you see where they write depending, take profit and stop loss. Yeah, so the same thing it is on your trading view, the same thing it is here, and the same way it is on your what's it called, on your MT5 and MT4, the same way it is here. Though the views might be different. Okay, so let's go into our video what we are here for. Okay, so right now the market is here. Okay, so let me just get rid of this. So right now, as you can see, this is where the market is, right? Then we have our break of structure here, which is internal break of structure. And looking at the internal break of structure, the market is already bullish, telling us that there might be a possibility that we might take out this high or not. So then you want to join this market on a continuation trend. So let's say you're considering this little trend that is happening here, okay? And we might have our low here, okay? Then you started seeing this, which is supposed to be an order block that you're expecting the market to come and tag you and move for a continuation trend. Then you looking at this chart, you know that this thing is going to take like 2 days for it to come back and tag you to that same place so that you can start moving um to the normal direction the market is moving to. So how can you set a limit order here? Now what you do is this. You see how I have opened my pending. You just open your pending, so or you off it. So if you want to open it, you just click pending. Okay, then you drag this down to the place you want it to tag you. So let's say you want it to tag you at 50% of this other block, which is somewhere here. Okay. Let me also remove this because I don't use my Fibonacci like this. I use it in a certain way. I just want to see my 50% and that's all. So now the market is showing only 50% zone. Then I'll delete all the prices and levels and the trend line. So and I'll just make it red. Okay. So now this is our 50% zone. Okay, let's make sure it is on 50%. Yeah, so now this is our 50% zone. So I'll just drag it to the 50%. Then I will try to set the order, the lot size I want to use. So let's say I want to use one lot size. Okay. Then come in here, what's the price I want to enter in? I've already set the price. Then the take profit, I'll just set my take profit to be, I'll just drag my take profit to be somewhere here at the nearest high. Then I'll on my stop loss, then drag my stop loss down to the um, to the current low, which is here. So what will I do? I'll just press buy limit. Now I'm on, they have my pending order at the moment, which is at what? One lot size, which is here. You see? So I have my pending order now. I can go down to this place that will have pending order. You see it showing here. So I have a buy limit pending orders. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to use it um on your MT5 and MT4. Yeah, because I know most of you will be using MT5 and MT4 to trade. But if you're using SNEX to trade, this is a very simple way you can set your limit order. So that's just the way you can do it. So let me bring up my, I'm gonna change it now to, I'll change it now to the one on phone so that you guys will see it. So I'll also use the same account. So let's change to the one on phone. So this is my MT5. So the same way I'm going to show you here on MT5, the same way it is also on MT4. So let's say we want to trade VIX 75. So we open our chart. Okay. So this is VIX 75 at the moment. And this is our 4-hour chart. Okay. So let's assume that we want to sell and we are waiting for VIX 75 to come towards this extent that you see. Okay. So what I will probably do is this. I'll just go to this place. You see this little thing up here. This one you're seeing up here. You just click it. Then it will bring out an order. So if you are to buy, it will show you an order from here. If you are to sell, it will show you an order from the top side. So for me, I want to sell. So I will just click, I will just bring it and drag it to where I want to sell. Okay, because if you look at the chart, you see that this is an order block. Okay, this is a sell order block that will be trading the market to the downside. So, and you know we are bearish already, so we want to set our limit order there in case the market comes there, it will tag us in for sell. So I'll just click stop loss here. So I'll drag my stop loss to the current high, which is here. Okay, so and I'll take my profit to the low, which is the previous, which is the low that is having these current internal highs at the moment. So I'll just click here. So when I click here, I'll just click place order. Okay, so now my order has been placed. So we'll go back to my account, you see. So here it will show volatility 75, sell limit order. So this is how it will be. So now you are saying that we are on a sell limit. So each time market gets to our sell limit, it will trigger us, we'll go into the market. So will start. It will trigger us immediately. It will not wait for us to start finding a time to just place the order. No, but this, it will trigger us automatically. So our stop loss is there, our take profit is there, our entry point is there. So we don't need to start wasting our time waiting for market to get to our position before it will trigger us. No, we are in the position already. So this is the simplified way on how you can set your limit order. So this is how it happens. So I don't know if any of you have any question, but if you have any question, you can tag on the comment section why it is easy for me to like read and make a video again. But if you don't have any question, just uh, leave a like and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is the easiest way to set a limit order. Yeah, bye.